Affiliate marketing has evolved far beyond simple product referrals. It has become a genuine pathway to building a sustainable e-commerce business. At its core, affiliate marketing is about promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for every sale, lead, or action generated through your unique link. However, the modern affiliate landscape is no longer about spamming links or quick wins. It's about building an ecosystem of trust, authority, and long-term value. To create a real e-commerce business through affiliate marketing, you must approach it strategically, just like any legitimate brand. The process begins with selecting a profitable niche that aligns with your expertise, audience interest, and consumer demand. Instead of chasing trending products that fade overnight, focus on evergreen markets like health, wealth, relationships, or technology, where buyers continuously seek solutions. Once your niche is clear, establish a strong online presence. Build a website, create a content-driven blog, launch a YouTube channel, or leverage social media platforms to educate, inspire, and engage your audience. Your content should serve as a bridge between problems and solutions, offering reviews, comparisons, tutorials, and honest insights that genuinely help users make informed buying decisions. Over time, this consistency builds trust and authority, the two pillars of affiliate success. By collecting emails through lead magnets and newsletters, you can nurture relationships and drive repeat conversions without relying solely on external algorithms. The next crucial step is diversification. Don't depend on one affiliate program or platform. Partner with reputable networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, or ShareASale, but also explore direct partnerships with brands in your niche. This ensures multiple income streams and protects your business from sudden commission changes or policy updates. Like any e-commerce business, tracking and optimization are vital. Use analytics tools to monitor traffic sources, conversion rates, and customer behavior, allowing you to refine your campaigns and boost performance. Affiliate marketing also benefits from automation. Email sequences, retargeting ads, and CRM tools can streamline your operations, freeing time to scale. As you grow, treat your affiliate venture as a brand. Create a logo, develop a consistent voice, and maintain professional branding across all platforms. A real e-commerce business thrives on customer experience, and in affiliate marketing, your customers are your audience. When they trust your recommendations, they drive your sales. The key difference between hobby affiliates and business owners lies in mindset. Real entrepreneurs reinvest their profits into growth, marketing, and product diversification. They think long-term, focusing on building digital assets like websites, lists, and authority instead of chasing quick commissions. In 2025 and beyond, affiliate marketing continues to merge with e-commerce as influencers, content creators, and entrepreneurs realize the power of combining audience trust with digital sales systems. With the right vision, effort, and ethical marketing approach, affiliate marketing isn't just a side hustle. It's a scalable, legitimate, and highly profitable e-commerce business model that can generate recurring income and financial freedom for years to come.